Hello everyone, let's continue and understand another important command. Here we have the command is your ps command, which can be used to check the process statistics used to show the process currently running on your system. We all know that in a Linux box a lot of processes are running on your system. Few processes are those processes which has been initiated when your system starts, so those are called your system processes. And lot of other processes that are users like us or your application users, your database users, they initiated their own process. So how do we check that? We have a simple command, ps command, and we can add on a lot of options with that. So let's see how we can use that. It's very simple. If you are firing the ps command, it will list out you what all the process is running from this terminal only. If you want to see all the process from all your terminals, then you have to add few parameters like -ef and then pipe and less. Otherwise the lot of output will come in a single go. Now you can see that the lot of process are showing that this is your user process ID and this is the parent process ID, time. So all these things, this is the priority, time, terminal, and this is the command here. And if you want to know more, you can use man ps. So it will show you what all the options we have. So ps report a snapshot of the current process. Moving to the next command, your next command is a top command. A top command is a inbuilt utility with Linux or Unix operating system, which used to show the processes running, and with your CPU uses, memory uses, all those things we will get with this top command. Many times this command can be used to check the running process, or we can say that troubleshooting point of view as well. Suppose some performance issue is going on your system and you want to know that what is actually happening on your system, which process is taking how much space, which process is taking how much memory, CPU, disk utilization. So all these things we will get with this command. So let me show you. Simply you have to fire top command. You can see that it's a output, you can see that, and it's a refreshing output. Every 2 or 3 seconds this output has been refreshing. So it's a live output you are getting here. At the top you can see the users, the load average, these are the tasks running total, these are the how many processes are running, these are the running process, sleep process, stop, zombie, CPU utilization. You can see here with this is your memory utilization line, this is the swap, and here you can see the snapshot of your process running on your system, and it is keep on refreshing. If you press Q, it will come out from there. So these are the good commands which can be used for troubleshooting point of view as well. The next command is very important, which shows you who is currently logged in on your system. Simply if you fire w command or who command, it will list out you who is currently logged in your system. Here you can see that only 2 users has been logged into your system, and that is your root. If I am taking another session, check, and again if I'll fire this, you can see that one more user has been added here. This is a tech user. So you can also use who command or w command, which can be used to find out who is currently logged into your Linux box. So friend, that's all for this lecture. In the next lecture we are going to understand a lot of new commands. So thanks for watching, and if you have time, please join with me in the next lecture.